This is a lethal dose of fertilizer, the quickest way to kill your plant. So a while back, I had a customer reach out to our support team because she was worried that our fertilizer was killing her ginger plant. Before I open the attached photo and show it to you, I want to tell you what didn't kill it. Now, it wasn't because she used the wrong fertilizer, banana fuel, on it. Gingers are related to banana plants. Look at that. They even have similar leaves, and they require similar amounts of potassium. So it's not crazy to apply our potassium-rich fertilizer on a ginger plant. No, this plant died of an overdose. One baby aspirin a day isn't going to hurt you, but this is like swallowing 15 bottles of adult aspirin in one sitting. Banana fuel is ultra concentrated, and it's designed to be mixed with water, not applied directly. In fact, when properly dissolved in water, a 2-pound bag can make up to 200 gallons. The amount of fertilizer applied here should have been mixed with about 20 gallons of water and applied over several months. Only this much banana fuel should have been mixed with water and applied. I want to compare this instance with another positive example that came in just over the weekend. Okay, Jennifer knows how to apply fertilizer. She bought banana fuel from us a year ago. She's properly dissolved it in water and has patiently watered her ice cream banana with it over time. And as you can see, it's taken her to great heights. But let's talk about exactly why the fertilizer killed the ginger plant. After all, isn't more nutrition better than less nutrition? To answer that, I'm going to go all the way back to when I used to work at a major healthcare system. As an office worker, I was always on the lookout for a good zero harm story. And one came from the mother-baby unit. I was told that a mother had to be hooked up to an IV after delivery. A bag of mostly potassium had been hooked up, ready to go into her arm. Someone else in the room that was listening to the story gasped. But me, as a regular person, as a non-clinician, heard the story and I said, so what's the big deal? Potassium is good for you, isn't it? We need it to live, so why is it a big deal if you get a little too much? Well, the answer is you die. Well, the mother-baby story ends well because another caregiver caught the mistake, didn't allow the potassium to go through intravenously in her arm, and it was a happy ending. Hence, it was a zero harm story. The point is, too much of a good thing can kill your plants. We make the instructions as clear as possible to prevent plant overdoses. If you have any questions, always go back to the label. Hopefully, our instructions and this video can help save some plants. Now, before I go, I want to assure you that a potassium-rich diet is not going to harm you. Based on my weight, I would have to consume 417 bananas to overdose on potassium, and I'd have to do it all in one sitting. I went to my local Publix and I counted how many bananas they had on display. It was 351. So I can't even buy enough bananas at my grocery store to overdose. Ipso facto, you're never going to overdose on bananas. So keep growing your banana plants, fertilize responsibly, and when you harvest, feel free to go to town.